Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. How y'all doing? I hope you're doing okay. As you can see, it's not a Tesla. It's a Hyundai 2020 Palisade. And I'm gonna show you the setup, the intro, and all that. Nice. Well, this is the 2020 Hyundai Palisade, and I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this vehicle, and at the end I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. I don't know if you can see, this is the with holographic speedometer. Sorry for my camera. That's the speed right there. And if you don't see it, let me show you again. It's still right here. So if you go, you know, if you go like 10 miles per hour, it's gonna tell you 10 miles per hour right there. Okay. Also, it's gonna tell you right here. That's for the tires. This one, the driver's side front is 35. It's a little bit low. This one's 34. Hopefully it doesn't have a nail. But hey, before I get carried away, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Alright, it look nice to me. Alright, is it reliable though? Put in the comment box for me. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. I'm not gonna hold you out no more, but I have to say, I want to encourage the females to become a mechanic, a technician, because I haven't seen that many out here in the field. All right, that's it. So I'm not gonna hold you out no more. Let's do this oil change. Let's get it. Come down here. This is how you open the hood. Pull it just like that. This is how the key fob looks like. You're seeing this baby out here in the streets. Now you come to the front. Here's the latch. Pull it to the side. You don't have to hold the hood. It's gonna open by itself. There's the info 2020. This is a 3.8. Alright, gasoline. Even though it's a brand new car, 2020. It still takes the old or the previous Freon R134A. Okay, that's how much you gotta put in the system if you need AC. I will come this way. GDI. Come on here. This is the engine oil cap. 530. It's up to you if you want to put synthetic or regular. Okay. And over here is the oil dipstick. That's how you check the oil level. Alright. And Hyundai recommends Quaker State oil or Shell Helix. Okay, I know you want to see what's under that, the cover. I'm gonna do it for you, okay? Kia, Hyundai, GDI. Bow! See. Alright, that's just a peek, okay? The muffler, spare tire, pipe. This could be a second muffler. I want to say resonator, pipe, cat, flats, another flats. It has covers here. It reminds me of the BMW. And here's the oil drain plug. And to get to that, and to the oil filter, which is like in there, right there, you have to remove this cover, 10mm. This one right here. This one. Maybe this clip too. It's clip 2. Okay. Just to get, oh, and here's one too. Just to get to the oil drain plug and the oil filter. Let's get it. So okay, once we remove all that, cover come out. Voila! That's the oil filter right there. Okay, probably it's gonna be oh, it says nah. That's just the 35 Newton. That's how much you're gonna torque it. Okay, and I want to say it's a 27 millimeter socket. And right there is a boy oil drain plug. Now for the oil drain plug, we're going to use a 17 millimeter socket. Okay, 17 millimeter socket, the same as Honda Acura. All right. It's in a funny angle though. But we're still gonna make it. Okay. While we drain the oil, we can come to the oil filter right here and loose it with a 27 millimeter socket. Shout outs to Pittsburgh, whatever. This is a 1/2 inch ratchet and 27 socket. Do with the ratchet in the beginning, then when it gets loose, do it by hand. Now put the oil drain plug back once you drain most of the oil. Okay, tight it and snug it. You know the deal. Okay. Okay. Don't forget to clean your mess. Clean after yourself. Now we pass to the oil filter. I do it by hand. I'm gonna drain most of it just like this. You don't want to get a splash. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it just passed like 5 seconds, maybe 30 seconds. I'm gonna do it right now. Just be careful though when you remove it. Okay? Okay. Someone was calling me. Okay, let's get it. Dun, 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 dun. Does it all ring right there? Make sure you change it. There it is. So we're gonna change this oil filter and the oil ring. I'll show you in a second how the new one looks like. Come with me. This is the new oil filter, WL 10033 Wits filters. All right. Let me pull it out. Okay. South Korea. And comes with the oil ring, and this is for the oil drain plug. It doesn't matter how you put the oil filter, it's the same thing, both sides, both ends. Alright, like I said, don't forget to change the oil ring and lube it so it's easier for you to put it back. Now we're putting it back. Okay, if you don't have a torque wrench to set it up to 35 Newton, just, you know, go all the way down, tighten it and snug it. Don't break it though, okay? It's not that crazy. Okay, it got hard by hand, pulse. Now do it with the 27 socket. put the cover back now. We proceed to pour the oil in the engine. So the book says 6.9 quarts of synthetic oil, 5W30. But before I put the 6.9, which is almost 7 quarts, I'm gonna pour 6 and then check the level. You know what I'm saying? Let me put this oil cap back. And this is how the dipstick looks like. It's supposed to be right here, right? I pour 6 quarts. Alright, so you can put like a 6.5. I poured 6, so it's up to you. Either one of those is fine. Alright, 6.5 or 6. Okay, and put the cover back, and we proceed to do the oil life reset. Okay, guys, welcome back. I'm back. Yeah, me. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this vehicle. Alright, and I'm gonna do the oil life reset. Before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Share this video. Alright, shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, support, and help. Alright, okay, so what you're gonna do is, the car is running right now. Alright, no problem at all. All you're gonna do is press this button, set up, press it, and it's gonna take you here. Okay, and all you're gonna do is press this one, vehicle. Okay, scroll down, go to cluster, and it says service interval. Press there. Okay, now set the distance. This one hasn't been set up, so I'm gonna set it up right now. I'm gonna put 50, which is like 5,000. Okay, now it's set up for another 5,000 miles. And if you want to reset that, the oil life reset, all you gotta do is press here, reset. Do you want to reset? Yes. Resetting. Reset to factory defaults. And this is how you reset the oil life in this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said before. Shout outs to my people, my community. Okay, I encourage the females to become a mechanic, a technician, since I haven't seen that many out here in the field. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you out no more. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. See you in the next one. I'm clacking now. I'm out the meow.